Perfect. Just perfect and delicious. Hello, my healthy people. Before I get started, just want to let you know, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free. In today's video, I'm going to be making some chickpeas curry. Yes. So here you see, I have 2 cans of chickpeas that's already been washed. And then I also have an array of spices here. We have turmeric, we have adobo, we have cumin, we have curry, smoked paprika. Everything, the measurement amount will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I have a can of coconut milk. Now this coconut milk I was going to use to make some kind of creamer, so that's why it looks thick like that. Do not be alarmed, not a big deal. The next ingredients that I have here is 3 cups of spinach, probably a little bit more than 3 cups because I love spinach. But this is not just spinach, it's like our power greens, right? It's kale, it's spinach, it's baby chard. Absolutely love it, all of them together. So let's go ahead and make this delicious, healthy recipe for you and the family. Everyone will love it. All right, my healthy people, so we have moved over to our stovetop. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use water if you're plant-based, not a big deal. To that, I am just going to add my chickpeas. So simple, so easy to make, guys. So if you're a beginning vegan, this is especially real simple and real easy for you. And if you're hungry, you want something to eat, this is it. Now, in here, I have my spices. Everything is going to be in the description box, guys. Do not be alarmed. So just go ahead and add all your spices. Get it all coated. So I'm going to dump my spinach. So I got my Power 3 in here. Everything is going to be in the description box, guys. Do not be alarmed. And once again, I'm just getting everything to be mixed. I just lost some. I'm always losing stuff when I'm cooking. And this stuff smells so good, especially with the smoked paprika. Absolutely delicious. Smell great. If you love what you see so far, don't forget to give this video what? Big thumbs up. If you love these recipes and these tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to cover this up, leave it for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. Alright, my healthy people, it's been about 5 minutes. Look at that. This is what it looks like. Looks really good. Now what I'm going to do is, you could use tomato paste or ketchup, but guess what? I ran out of tomato paste, so I'm going to add some ketchup. And this is just 1/8 cup of ketchup. This is not a must, you know. If you do have tomato paste, you could use that as well. But I only have ketchup for now. So I'm just going to add that in it. Make sure you get everything all together. Here I have a can of coconut milk. Don't worry about it. My coconut milk, I was going to use it for something else, so I had it in the refrigerator. Alright, so there we go. Mix everything together. I have it on low to medium heat. Simple, easy, delicious recipes. You have your protein, you have your coconut milk, which is your fat, and you have your iron, okay? Just to let you guys know. So this is a very delicious and healthy recipe. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cover this, I'm going to let it simmer for 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back, okay? See you in 5 minutes. Okay, my healthy people, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's remove this. Woo! Look at that. OMG. So yummy. So delicious. And that's pretty much it. Let me just give this a taste to see if it's spiced to my liking. Perfect. Just perfect and delicious. Let's go ahead and serve this. I am going to serve this over some brown rice quinoa. Woo! Woo! Oh! OMG. Yes, it is time to what? Eat. that is it. That's all I have for you guys. I'm gonna enjoy this deliciousness. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell, because that's how you're gonna get your notifications. And what? Stay healthy.